This video demonstrates the password help tool on the school homepage. Follow the instructions on the right to reset your password. Enter your new CTC Link ID, not your old SIS ID. If this is your first time using this tool, you'll be asked to do some setup, including selecting a secret question. If you have problems with any part of this process, please call BBT at 509-793-2206.